My name is John Navin with West County EMS and Fire, and today we're going to go over some respectful entry and through the lock techniques. This door is going to be a slam latch with a paddle, and it's going to be on a commercial door. For this, we're going to go ahead and use our shove knife, and then with our shove knife, to get the gap, we're either going to use a wedge, or we're going to go ahead and use a little mini pry bar. So the idea with this is I'm going to pry down on the door so the anti-loading pin deploys just like a residential lock, and then I'm going to work the lock until it's open, and then it'll slide open. I'm going to grab this one very easy. So right there, our door is open. So again, with this lock, it's a slam latch with a paddle. So you can see our paddle over here, our mortise lock here, and then this is our latch. Right here, we're looking at our anti-loading pin. And so what we want is we want that to fully deploy. So we're gonna take our mini pry bar and we're just gonna put a little bit of pressure so this deploys, which allows us to come in and work the lock over so that it'll unlock. And then we can actually work that down out of the way, and then you could grab the door and slide it open now that the lock's not working. Same concept, we put a little bit of pressure on there, and then we're gonna take the bevel loading device in there. Slide it down. Now the door's unlocked.